The next category is 5A Serious News Feature. You guys have minus 20 seconds acceptance speech time. And the nominees are...
Unfriended, WITI. Can Chicago make the trains run on time? WGN. Chicago Streets, a hazard for the blind, WBBM. Ferdinand Street, Chicago Safe Passage, WBBM. Divine Grace, WDJT. Whipped at School, WBBM.
And the Emmy goes to Ferdinand Street, Chicago Safe Passage, WBBM.
We're doing a story on all the drug dealing on your street.
You got a good one then, don't you?
A good one?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of drug dealing?
Yeah.
Are you scared of them?
Yeah, I'm scared of them. I'm too old to run. Police know what they doing. They got a camera right there.
So that camera work?
That right there is a working police camera. At the very moment we shot it, there's a drug deal.
We dealt with so much backlash for this story to point out an open-air drug market. It had always been there. No one gave a shit. Today I'm wearing my dad's sharkskin shoes, which is no longer legal, I'm sure, but it probably saved an Australian baby. I'm wearing his cufflinks and his wedding ring. He died 20 years ago. And I'm now living a life beyond the dreams I had for my own life. And it's in part about sticking up for people who don't have a voice. And this one hits home because these people don't have a voice. And I'm just so lucky I had a dad who hugged me. And thank you.